Today I am happy to tell you that we are going to discuss about the Battle of Plassey. It was 1756. Nawab Sirajuddaulah was the Nawab of Bengal and he was the successor of Alivardi Khan. He was very powerful, and the British, as previously we have discussed about, that they used to grant trade concessions. The same was at this time. They were asking trade concession from the British, from the Nawab, but Nawab Sirajuddaulah, he refused to grant concession. The company was worried as it wanted a puppet ruler, so the company tried to help Sirajuddaullah's rivals to become Nawab. Then company, he was not getting trade concession now, so they decided they will help Sirajuddaullah's rivals, and the British East India Company asked the rivals of Sirajuddaulah that they will be appointed as Nawab, and he was the Mir Jafar. It made angry Sirajuddaulah, and he asked to stop interference in the political affairs of Bengal. When Sirajuddaulah came to know that the British East India Company, they are interfering in the political affairs of Bengal, then Sirajuddaulah became angry, and he asked them that they have to stop the interference in the political affairs of Bengals, and he also asked them to stop the fortification. As we know that the British, they have got 3 villages in Bengal: Govindpur, Sotanati, and Kalikata was there, and today Kalikata is known as Kolkata, the capital of West Bengal. We know about that they were having 3 villages, and it was their nature. They used to fortify all their places. And he also asked, Nawab Sirajuddaulah also asked British to pay the revenue, because they were asking concessions but they were not getting permission for the same. On their refusal, when the British East India Company refused to pay revenue to stay fortification, then Nawab marched with 3,000 soldiers. How many soldiers he was having? Nawab was having 30,000 soldiers. And to where he marched? He marched, it is marched, M-A-R. He marched with 30,000 soldiers to the English factory. Where was that English factory? Yes, the English factory was at Qasim Bazar, and he captured the company officials. The company was having their officials there. Then he captured all that officials, and he locked the warehouses, as they came here as a trader, and they were having their warehouses. Then their warehouses were also locked by whom? By Sirajuddaulah. And he blocked English ship and marched over Kolkata and occupied Fort William. Fort William was an important fort of British East India Company at that time. Then Nawab Sirajuddaulah, what did he do? He captured all the company officials, he locked the warehouses, he blocked the English ship, and he marched Kolkata, because the Fort William was at Kolkata. He occupied all them. The company sent forces and naval fleet under the command of Robert Clive. Who was the commander of English factory? He was Robert Clive, and he was sent from Madras with forces as well as with naval fleet. Naval fleet deals with the navy. Finally, in 1757, actually the Battle of Plassey, it took place in 1757, but all the things which we are discussing here, they happens in 1756. Fleet under the command of Robert Clive, and finally in 1757, the company's army led by Robert Clive fought against Sirajuddaulah at Plassey and defeat him and also put him to death. Now the important question is this, that if the question is when the Battle of Plassey was fought, then your answer is in 1757 it was fought at Plassey. And who was the commander of British East India Company? That your answer is that he was Robert Clive. And who was the Nawab of Bengal? Then we will answer that Nawab of Bengal was Nawab Sirajuddaulah. And what was the result of Battle of Plassey? Then we have to answer that Nawab Sirajuddaulah was defeated and he was also put to death. And who was the conqueror of this battle? They were the British. They were the British. Now it's enough today, and we will meet next time for more videos. Thank you for watching this.